My name is Tracy Ballin, celebrity hairstylist and owner of Coif by Tracy Ballin. Today I'll be showing you how to save hair dye. Let me first say that when it comes to hair dye, once the two parts are mixed, you cannot save it. So you have to do it in the beginning, the first steps. So what you do with boxes of hair dye, it usually comes in two parts. One, the developer, and two, the color. What you'll do is open up the developer bottle and pour in a little bit of developer. Now you pour in half and half, so they have to be done in equal parts. So equal parts of developer to equal parts of color. Then you pour in the color. Make sure to seal the color back tightly. And all you do, putting on gloves, and using a coloring brush is mix the color in together and use it as necessary. Now the rest you store in room temperature back in the box that it came in. I'm Tracy, thank you for watching, and this is how you save hair dye.